Lecture 110, Weird Coincidences and Synchronicities. Slide 1, Start. In the vast tapestry of human experience, there are moments that seem to defy explanation, instances where the threads of reality appear to weave together in ways that leave us questioning the very nature of chance itself. Picture this. In 2001, two twin sisters, separated at birth, unknowingly chose the same day to visit a small café in a tiny Norwegian town. Not only did they share identical DNA, but they had also chosen identical outfits that day. The odds, astronomical. But what exactly are coincidences? And what makes certain synchronicities so spine-tinglingly bizarre that they seem to transcend mere chance? Consider the tale of Mark Twain, who entered this world with Halley's Comet in 1835. Throughout his life, he proclaimed, "I came in with Halley's Comet. It is coming again, and I expect to go out with it." True to his prediction, Twain departed this mortal coil on April 21, 1910, the day after the comet's closest approach to Earth. But perhaps no series of coincidences has captured public imagination quite like the Lincoln-Kennedy parallels. Both presidents were elected to Congress in 46, to the presidency in 60, and were succeeded by Johnsons born in 08. Both were assassinated on a Friday by Southerners and in the presence of their wives. Yet beneath these captivating narratives lies a fascinating scientific framework. The human brain, that masterful pattern recognition engine, is constantly seeking meaningful connections in the chaos of existence. Consider probability theory's law of large numbers. In a world of 7.9 billion people, experiencing roughly 20,000 moments of consciousness each day, the truly improbable becomes not just possible, but inevitable. Take the case of Roy Sullivan, dubbed the human lightning rod. Between 1942 and 1977, Sullivan was struck by lightning 7 times. The odds, 1 in 1028. Yet it happened, documented and verified. Modern research reveals that our perception of coincidences is deeply intertwined with cognitive biases. The confirmation bias leads us to remember hits and forget misses, creating an illusion of impossible synchronicity. Recent studies at the University of Cambridge have shown that people report experiencing meaningful coincidences approximately once every 2 weeks. But here's the fascinating part. The frequency increases in individuals who self-identify as spiritual or intuitive. The mathematics of probability teaches us that in a large enough sample size, even the most improbable events become statistically likely. It's what mathematician David Hand calls the improbability principle. Yet understanding the science doesn't diminish the wonder. Each coincidence serves as a reminder of the intricate complexity of our universe, where chaos and order dance in an eternal ballet of cause and effect. As we wrap up our exploration of these mysterious synchronicities, consider this. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect isn't the coincidences themselves, but our ability to find meaning in them, to weave stories from the threads of chance that bind our experiences together. I encourage you to start documenting the coincidences in your own life. You might be surprised by what patterns emerge when you begin paying attention to the subtle synchronicities that surround us all. Until next time, keep questioning, keep observing, and remember, in a universe governed by probability, the impossible might just be inevitable.